How to read your owner's statement. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short instructional video. We will review each line item and how we arrive at each balance. Portfolio summary. This is used as quick reference and is a summary of the entire portfolio at a glance. Previous balance. This is the ending balance that is carried forward from the prior month or statement period. If this is a negative amount, then that is the amount outstanding, and if it is positive, then that is owed to the owner. Income represents the entire portfolio's income for the statement period, which will include rent, tenant payment for damages, or other miscellaneous income generated in the portfolio. Expenses represents the entire portfolio's expenses for the statement period, not including monthly management fees. Management fees. This line item picks up the portfolio's monthly management expense. Liabilities. This is where HST is reflected. Total is the net income for the entire portfolio. Owner contributions. This is the total amount we have received from an owner to cover costs. Owner draws. This is the amount we have sent to an owner by either check or EFT. Ending balance. This amount equals net income plus any owner contributions received, then minus any owner draws. Portfolio minimum. This amount will represent amount funds required on deposit for day-to-day maintenance expenses. If you are currently set up as a monthly EFT customer, this amount will be zero. Due to owner. If a negative, this is owed to the management company, and if a positive amount is then due to the owner. Here is a summary of what we just discussed. Feel free to pause the video if you would like to take the time to read each point. Otherwise, we will continue. We will now take a look at the detail by transaction type for each property in the portfolio. Income and expenses. This is the transaction level detail that shows the income and expenses by account type. Any income represents the income that the management company has deposited on your behalf. It does not represent the rent, if any, you are depositing into your personal bank account. Income. FMR is short for first month's rent. LMR means last month's rent. The percentage after LMR denotes our internal code used for processing rental fees. You can disregard these percentages. Rent. This represents rent that is collected during the lease term that we pass directly on to the owner. Expenses. Maintenance expenses. Repairs and maintenance performed at the property during the statement period. Management fees. Total property management fees for the period. Rental fees. Our fees to rent your property. Net operating income is the total income minus expenses. Current liability. This is how our property management software breaks out HST. This is where we will see HST charged on sales or paid on purchases. For your accounting purposes, these accounts are combined and are only broken down for our internal purposes. Unpaid bills. These are the invoices posted to the account, but still not reconciled as of the statement date by our management company.